Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I actually wore this shirt yesterday, but I didn't do my makeup, so I did a look today inspired from it. I usually do black in my smoky eyes, but today I used brown. I jumped out of my comfort zone and I used a brown liquid lip and a new pair of lashes. So if you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. Alright, starting off with the face, I'm going to prime using my Benefit Professional Primer. For foundation, I'm going to use ColourPop's No Filter Foundation Stick in the shade 07 Neutral and blend it out using my Morphe M439 brush. Now I'm going to lightly conceal the highest areas of my face with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer and my Morphe M173 brush. While over here, I'm going to quickly prime my eyes with my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot in that same brush. Now I'm going to set where we just concealed using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 05 and my Morphe E48 brush. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Pressed Powder and my Morphe M527 brush. Alright, let's get started on the eyes. First, on a Morphe M431 brush, I'm going to pick up the orange Makeup a Murder Neon Poison Pigment and start packing that in my crease. I'm going to do it in more of a circular shape around my crease rather than an elongated angle shape because I am going to just do a rounded smoky eye today. I'm going to lightly feather out the edges with that same brush. Now on that same brush, I'm going to take the shade Suck from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Jawbreaker palette and deepen up the crease. Now I'm going to take a Morphe M506 brush and that neon orange poison pigment and blend that into Suck. Now on a Morphe M441, I'm going to pick up the shades Good Morning and Virgin and blend those in with the edges. Now back with that M431 brush, I'm going to pick up the shade Tasty and pack that all on my lid. Now I'm going to mix Tasty and Suck together and blend that into the crease. Now I'm just going to go back and forth with the brown and the orange until I'm happy with it. Now taking a Morphe M124 brush, I'm going to put the shade Tasty right on my lower lash line. Now on the M506 brush, I'm going to pick up Suck and blend that into Tasty. And lastly, I'm going to lightly blend out some of the neon orange poison pigment. I lied, lastly I'm going to go back in with Good Morning and Virgin on that M441 brush. Now I'm going to add a winged liner and some black in my waterline, and I will be right back to finish off the face. Alright, I decided against the eyeliner, but I just put on some lashes. I didn't do mascara yet. I'm going to do that last. So now let's finish off with the face. First, I'm going to contour using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit and my Morphe E4 brush. Now for blush, I'm actually going to dip into the Morphe 35 eye palette and pick up the shades Coral Cloud and Sky High on my Morphe M405 brush. Alright, for highlight, I'm going to mix quite a bit. I'm going to dip into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit as well as the BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlighting Palette. I want a nice yellowish gold glow, so I'm going to pick up the shade Glow from the BH Cosmetics palette. I'm going to pick up Ethereal as well. I think that's how to pronounce it anyway, it's been a while. And I'm going to pop these on my inner corner. I'm going to take a M501 brush and put these shades on my brow bone as well. And I'm going to begin layering my cheeks with those colors too. Now taking the Sugar Glow Kit, I'm going to layer on top Marshmallow. Alright, I want to do a black lip, but since we have brown in our eyes and not black, I don't really want them to clash. So I might actually do a brown lip. I've never done one before, but I have the shade Lima by NYX. And I think I'm going to do that and maybe add a nude on the center. So first I'm going to line using Lima. I've always loved the look of a brown outer liner and then a nudish color on the center of the lip, but of course that looks better on darker skin tones because it blends better and it's more of their nude color, but I'm hoping it looks good on me. Now I'm going to put Silk Indulgent, also by NYX, just on the center.
understand, get away for the night. Don't have to think twice, I'll be oh so nice. I have to think twice.
Here's the finished look, guys. Really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, wish to leave a thumbs up and subscribe, hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!